Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is a government-owned oil and gas company. It's a Maharatna and Fortune 500 global company. They operate more than 20,000 energy stations across the country. The growing number of electric vehicles make them think of other business opportunities. The BPCL is also pitching into the electric vehicle charging station industry. It has launched 19 EV fast charging corridors at its 110 fuel stations across 15 highways in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Those chargers are of power rating of 30 kW. We can find 3 corridors with 19 charging stations in Kerala, 6 corridors with 33 charging stations in Karnataka and 10 corridors with 58 charging stations in Tamil Nadu. So far, the company has converted 21 highways into electric corridors and it will cover 200 highways with fast chargers to accelerate the EV adoption in India. The BPCL's head of retail South, Push Kumar Nair, says it takes just 30 minutes to charge an EV, giving the driving range of up to 125 kilometers at our fuel stations. Therefore, we have maintained the distance within 100 kilometers between the two charging stations. So the adjacent charging stations will be available around 100 kilometers. We know that the electric vehicle charging is different than the IC engine fuel filling. The charging requires a little more time than the fuel filling. The charging station should be designed so the passengers can spend the charging time for other activities such as having food. The BPCL charging stations provide clean toilets and restaurants. The fast chargers are easy to use and self-operated without any manual assistance, although the support staff would be available if needed. The whole process of locating EV chargers, handling the charging operation and transactions are digitalized via the Hello BPCL mobile application. The users may locate the charger, check the availability and make payments through the app. It's a visionary step to expand the business of BPCL to include the futuristic electric vehicle industry. The electric vehicle charging stations would be necessary as the EVs faster adoption happens in India. It would be easier for the petroleum companies to install the charging stations at their fuel stations since the space and other facilities are readily available. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more electric vehicle related videos.